Today, I've got something really exciting and unique to share with you all. We're going to dive into the world of fashion and take a closer look at the 5 best Zayn haircuts that have captivated not only his fans but also the entire world. So, without further ado, let's get started. First up, we have the classic quiff. Zayn has often rocked this style, and I must say, he absolutely nails it. The quiff is a timeless and versatile haircut that suits almost any face shape. By combing the hair up and back, you get that effortlessly stylish and edgy look that Zayn pulls off with absolute finesse. Moving on to number 2, we have the buzz cut. Zayn surprised everyone when he shaved his head and sported this daring look. The buzz cut is all about embracing your natural beauty while making a bold statement. It's a low-maintenance and rebellious style that exudes confidence and attitude. Next, let's talk about the man bun. Zayn has proven that this style is not limited to just the ladies. With his rugged yet sophisticated charm, Zayn rocks the man bun like no other. Whether it's a casual day or a red carpet appearance, the man bun adds an extra touch of elegance and coolness to his overall look. Now, let's take a closer look at the pompadour. Zayn has embraced this suave and polished haircut, and boy, does he look amazing. The pompadour is a classic hairstyle that has stood the test of time. With its sleek and voluminous top, complemented by short sides, Zayn has elevated this look to a whole new level. Last but definitely not least, we have the fade haircut. Zayn has experimented with various fade styles, and each one has left us absolutely awestruck. The fade adds a modern and sharp edge to any haircut, accentuating facial features and creating a statement look. From a skin fade to a mid-fade, Zayn knows how to rock it with absolute style, and there you have it, folks. The 5 best Zayn haircuts that have taken the world by storm. Whether it's the quiff, buzz cut, man bun, pompadour, or fade, Zayn's impeccable sense of style and willingness to try new looks has undoubtedly left a lasting impression on all of us. So, why not give one of these Zayn-inspired haircuts a try and see how it transforms your look? Remember, your hair is your canvas to express yourself. So don't be afraid to experiment and find your own unique style. That's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my upcoming content. Also, let me know in the comments which of Zayn's haircuts is your personal favorite, or if there's any other celebrity hairstyle you'd like me to cover in future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay cool, stay awesome, and keep rocking.